38% of people will stop engaging with a website if the content or layout is unattractive. When it comes to websites, looks matter. Houzz is in the business of helping home remodeling and design pros stand out online, which is why we offer professionally designed websites that look amazing on every device. You're busy running your business, and you may not want to spend your free time building and updating a website. We get it. That's why when you get a website through Houzz, our team builds, hosts, and manages your website for you. So beyond offering great designs and saving you time and money, why else would you want a website through Houzz? Our website service is focused exclusively on the needs of our industry. Our website templates are designed to build your brand and help convert future clients. You can introduce your team, showcase your reviews, receive calls and messages, and more. We support unlimited photos and videos so you can show off your complete portfolio. Houzz-built websites are SEO friendly, secure, and they sync with your Houzz profile. So if you add new project photos to your profile, they're added to your website automatically.